Please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell and like the video. Jeep releases a limited run of Jurassic Park appearance packages for the Gladiator and JL Wrangler, 2018 to 2024. The new kit commemorates the Jeep Wrangler YJs in the original 1993 film, which featured logos on the doors and other graphics. While the Jurassic Park packages are more stylistically reserved, they include decals for the doors, front fenders, and hood. When Jurassic Park hit theaters in the summer of 1993, it seared images of roaring T-Rexes and conniving Velociraptors into the minds of moviegoers. For some, the larger-than-life dinosaurs weren't the only stars of the show, though. It was also the assortment of awesome vehicles, from the striped, self-driving Ford Explorers to the Jeep Wrangler YJs with red wheels and matching JP liveries. Now, Jeep is releasing an appearance package inspired by the original movie so fans can live out their fantasy. Jurassic Park-style Jeeps. With 2023 marking the 30-year anniversary of the original film, Jeep is commemorating the 1992 Wrangler YJ Sahara's starring role with the new Jurassic Park package. It includes logos for the doors, graphics for the side of the hood, and numbering for the center of the hood, the front fender vents, and the tailgate handle. There's also a numbered shifter insert that says T-Rex, and for an additional charge people can opt for a shifter insert for the transfer case that features a textured grassy island. There are two available Jurassic Park packages, one with and one without the transfer case shifter insert. The former costs $550, and the latter costs $650. Jeep will sell a limited run of 100 packages, each with unique numbering, through its graphic studio website. The decals are designed to fit all Gladiators and all JL Generation Wrangler, 2018-2024. More, please. Obviously, Jeep's new Jurassic Park appearance package isn't for everyone, perhaps why the company only plans to sell so few. While we wouldn't put it on our daily driver, we know that Jeep peeps love to customize their machines. So, for Jurassic Park fans who fall into that category, we just wish the package more closely resembled the movie car. The YJ Wrangler pictured above is a replica built by Razorfly Studios, a North Carolina company that specializes in meticulous copies of iconic movie cars. Read our full story here. Notice the red painted wheels with the matching body stripes, light bar, winch, and CB antenna. Those are all the things we wish came with Jeep's graphic package. Sure, they'd likely inflate the price, but we think it'd be worth it to feel like we were driving the same Wrangler that outran a T-Rex in Spielberg's original. Dear viewers, please share your thoughts on the subject with us.